Okay, moving on to Shopping Center Director of the Year.
Shopping Center Director of the Year will be handed out by Rafal Zhukovsky from Hayes.
So come on up and join us.
And this is the shortlist. On the shortlist we have Roman Bugajczyk, GTC, Marek Ciszewski, Mail and Real Estate, Marek Ćwiek, EPSIS, Magdalena Gibney, Multi, Sławomir Murawski, EPSIS, Anna Pajura, IMV, Yoram Reshef, Blue City, Piotr Rembacz, Ninever, Aleksandra Żońca, Citrus.
So welcome and thank you for sponsoring this award and
Thank
helping
you very
us.
much. So the best shopping center of the year is Yoram Reshef, Blue City.
I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. I got my mind set on you. Got my mind set on you. But it's gonna take money, a whole lot of spending money. It's gonna take plenty of money to do it right, child. It's gonna take time.
Don't you have enough of me? Thank you very much. This is really not a joke. This is a teamwork. This is the teamwork of the really dedicated Blue City team. All of them are with me over 10 years. And of course, our agents, Jonglong LaSalle and Colliers in retail, and Savills and CBRE in the office. It wasn't easy. We did a big step ahead. Thank you all. And the biggest thank is to our tenants. This is our employee. We work for them, and we are here because of them. So thank you all, and see you the next year. Thank you.
Yoram, come join us for some photos. Yoram, come join us, yeah? So how long have you been working at Blue City? How long have you been...
65 years.
65 years, good, good.
At least 65 years. I signed a contract until I will be in the wheelchair with the Philippine lady behind of me. So,
Okay, good, good. Only one? Only one Philippine lady? Okay, good, all right. So here's our photographer. And over there for our social media.